The Schuko AF 500 Eco, a unique combination of economic efficiency and sustainability. Linking cutting and processing saves valuable time and expensive energy. Your software-supported cut optimization reduces material requirements to a minimum. Thanks to intelligent energy recovery, the electricity consumption associated with your production is reduced. The integrated vibration monitoring facilitates forward-looking maintenance easily. The outstanding bumper technology keeps space requirements to the very minimum, and all this is offered at the best price. You can produce the buildings of the future really easily right now with the AF 500 Eco by Schuko.